Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, just minor add-on to our gold analysis. So on the daily chart everything looks okay since market is showing the downward retracement. It's continuing action to the support that we have specified as 1260 area, the most probable support area where the market could stop the bounce down following the gold futures. So we know that one of the features of the gold is to retest major areas that previously was the resistance. Right now it will become the support, and one of them is definitely the 1260 area, 1260, 1265, somewhere in this area. So now market stands in a downward action right to this level. On the 4-hour time frame chart we see some important moments. First of all, take a look that the double repo pattern has been completed, since market has reached the 50% support of the thrust of the double repo and its minimum target has been hit. Also guys, that was the weekly pivot point, so market has tested it, it's bounced up and now is turning to the downside. Here the reasons with this downward action probably could become the monthly pivot point that has been tested yet. It's also a very interesting situation with the weekly pivot point. I will show you on the hourly chart. And the same reasons could be for moving to the downside. You can see that market hasn't tested yet May pivot point. So because it has opened higher, we know that the pivot point should be tested within the trading month, and this happens with a 70% probability every month. And what is interesting is that monthly pivot point stands right in the same area of the two tops that we are watching for to be retested. This is the 1260, 1265. The monthly pivot point stands at 1266.13 area, so right here. And with monthly pivot points could be the same story as with the weekly one. So take a look at the hourly charts, very interesting. We have this extension ABCD that market was falling with this downward action. Take a look, 1618 target has been tested to 1275 cent to cent. So as soon as it has been hit, market at once has shown the upward reversal. But take a look that the weekly pivot point stands slightly lower, and this action down was mostly to test this target. So weekly pivot point has been hit, was taking the shape some kind of the Russian rinse of these lows, as traders have started to take the long position, is placing stops below. Market has grabbed the stops and moves up. Now the same story could be with the monthly pivot point. So in fact we do not have any significant targets below this current level, but you can see that market is dropping lower, and it could take the shape of the butterfly. So in this case the 1618 target will be 1264 approximately, and the target of the butterfly agrees with the monthly pivot point and with our level that we're watching for. Is approximately will be the 618 support of this thrust up. So that's why if we will get the butterfly here as completion point, that could also become the reversal pattern that we could use for a possible taking the long position. But we should not be too hurry with this action. First we need to see the hitting of this area and how market will respond on this area. Also guys, very interesting what will happen on the non-farm payrolls release. The technical picture, the ADP report suggests that theoretically it should be worse than expected, and maybe we should get to finally the reversal up and upward and bullish trend continuation. But what we will get in reality, who knows. Currently situation develops absolutely logical, so it's how it should too. So everything is in order. So that's why we have no questions to the current market behavior. One thing that we should wait for is the completion of this butterfly, hitting of the monthly pivot point, and then we will see what to do. Also, we do not want to see the drop directly to the 1264. It will be better if we will get some kind of the gradual action here. This will be much better. So let's see what we will get. So currently we are continuing to monitor with this pattern that points the clear direction, a clear point that we will be watching for. This is 1264 approximately, the completion of this butterfly and monthly pivot point. When the market will touch this area, we will see whether it will be possible to take the position here. I hope that we will get our long entry tomorrow.